Man, I hate all the products that are served in the students' vending machine like this one. All of the products tastes terrible. I wish I could get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute. Idea. Ding ding. I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I found the staff vending machine in the teacher's lounge. And of course, it serves real soda. Let's go and buy something, shall we? Yay! I just bought real soda. I know. I'm so busted. It's Principal Lee.
Marina. I saw footage from the security camera that you were using the staff vending machine. For this, you are suspended for a week. Get out of here right now. Marina. I can't believe you used the staff vending machine. You should know those machines are restricted to your school teachers and administration only. For this, you are grounded for a week. Go to your room now. And I will tell your mother about this when she gets home from the grocery store.